Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader. My name is Mr. Singh. XPeng ticker symbol XPEV. Folks, I'm back on vacation. Apologies for not sending the video last week. Got to be on the vacation. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to do it, but I'm excited because we called it out a week prior and we have some gains we made, and I'm excited. It's more to come. Like today, we opened up the market at $40.45, and we came low of $39.02. We recovered all the way up from our moving average today, even the 60-day and even the WAP line. You'll see that 60-day was a big play today. We came tagging along throughout the day, and we as soon as we break our 200-day moving average came in. The high for the day was $40.85, and we closed today at $40.75, 1.7% for up for the day. Nasdaq was doing phenomenal, and a little down on the pre-market after hours. I'm not worried about it, but I'm excited, folks, because the reason has been that because we've been trading and testing this $41 level, getting rejected for past 5 days. In past month, we came all the way from 30 all the way to $35.80, and which we talked about our support level. And congrats to people who've been loaded up shares and came all the highs 41. Before I talk on the technical side, let's talk some news first, and then on the depth on the technical side. So Xpeng P5 is officially launched on September 15. XPeng Motors announced on Sunday. Yesterday, the sedan P5 was officially launched on September 15, but 2 months ago, the model went on pre-sale. Xpeng News, it also can be looked on the video of poster showing. It's called a super launch event, right? Very exciting. The company announced the P5 pre-sale on the internet in the Greater Bay of International Auto Show, Shanghai in July 17, announcing the price of 24,000, that's in US, and 230,000 on yen. That's a very, very cheap price if you come to the United States. Trust me. Comparing to the Tesla price, that's a lot. So definitely something to watch. Other than that, the company said P5 model has more than 5,000 orders within 7 hours of the opening pre-sale, which we covered this article in the previous video. Also, pre-order you can choose LADR Quick Vision, right? So this is something, an exciting news. The launch date is September 15th. I'm excited about it. It's more to come, folks. This is something it's very interesting, right? I really wanted to share with you guys. I'm covering this article. So let me see. So zooming. Okay, that looks better. So Xpeng says it's testing flying cars over X2 in the high altitude. Xpeng Voyage X2 flying cars released in the middle of the last month and currently tested in extreme environments of high altitudes of Xing and Yasu, northwest of China's province, said the company. The chairman announced on July 16 the company's electric flight car was released and the fifth generation of two-person electric car flying. This thing is very interesting. I watched a video on that. I was very interested to see what's the ultimate goal on that, right? We knew the population in China is intense, so flying cars something in future. That's something we gotta see, how value this thing holds. So exciting to see. I've watched the video, very interesting, and to see that, and I was amazed. So how technology has evolved in past years, and how Xpeng is moving through, right? Also, very, very exciting. News for that. We covered the earnings on our previous video, but I wanted to share with you something very quickly, right? The delivery numbers have expanded, right? And not include the P5 coming in, this delivery numbers is gonna be above 20,000. Actually, it's gonna be somewhere between 25 to 30,000. And the Q3 that we're gonna see on that, right? And definitely is gonna boost the Xpeng's revenue, right? Also, quickly on that. The net loss, right, was up in 2021 on the second quarter, right, comparing to that. And the reason, and it's okay because it's offset, right, the revenue, right? It's okay even if it's a little bit higher, but the revenue is more than that. It's a simple method. You are making more money compared to that in terms of that, right? The company reported revenue of sales cars of 3.5 billion in the second quarter, up by 562% compared to the last year's first quarter. So definitely heading into the right direction, and I am very excited, right? Even the net loss was pretty high for comparing to the Q1, but it's okay because of the revenue generated because of the more margin, right? Margin cost is increasing a little bit, something we gotta watch on that, but not at rapid price. It's sitting at still at below to 12%. I'm okay with that. I'm excited with that. Delivery numbers have increased in each quarter. Like we talked about it, but this number is going to be very soon at 25 to 30,000 in the third quarter. I'm very optimistic about it, right? So let's see, because they expect, actually they're saying in the third quarter delivery is 21,005 to 22,000. I'm looking at 25,000, folks. This is something going to be break. Let's see if I'm right or wrong, but definitely we need to keep an eye. Okay, technical side. We know that I cover that XPeng and NIO both at the same time, and seeing XPeng taking over on the stock price, which I had no doubt. I would love to see. Was expecting them to XPeng to cover up all the way and close the gap, and they are up by actually $3 more than NIO. I'm not saying NIO is the best stock. I cover this stock also because I believe in both those two companies, XPeng and NIO, as a long-term value to make money on that, right? So let's talk about our technical side. Okay, so what are we looking at, folks? We are looking at, where's my RSI? Where my RSI is sleeping? Unfortunately, my RSI is not showing. But okay, it shows on my 6 months. Okay, we can do that and maybe it comes back. Okay, we talked about this white line here. If it drops to $33.87 when we were trading below at $37 level, we talked about $36.73 our support, which is phenomenal, and it's simple. $41.51, we got a breakout. With time and time we made the recovery, we got rejected, right? $41.51, our moving average is, everything is lined up, and they are trading it very closely, which is an indication, not a final advisor, folks. I'm just based on my opinion. A breakout is coming where you'll see highs of $41.51, even $44.66, because our 200-day moving average sitting at $40.01. 60 dollars is sitting at 60-day moving average is sitting at $40.14, and our 20-day sitting at $40.59, which I love it, because now it's giving us an indication for the breakout on the moving average. MACD is still on this the selling pressure. The red bars are getting smaller. RSI right now it's on the neutral, right? So it's on the neutral. We have a lot of room. So a lot of room could be seeing a highs of $44.66. We have an opportunity to do that. Let's see if my RSI came back. Here you go. Oh, it went back again. Okay. Not sure what's going on with my chart. Okay, came back. I'm excited. So then RSI on the year to date, right? On the 1 day time frame, sitting at 51 and 83. A lot of room to go all the way to 70. And now our MACD is showing signs of green, which gives me an indication that our breakout is coming, because you'll see our 60-day moving average on a year to date sitting at $39.51, and which is going to act as a support. So everything is pointing for a breakout for the uptrend, and I won't be surprised to see a $42 to $43, even $44 coming soon, very soon. We have the NASDAQ, right? This is something we got to watch very, very closely, because our NASDAQ is an all-time high, folks. All-time high of our NASDAQ. So love to see pull my NASDAQ. Even SP 500 is pulling like crazy up high, all-time high, right? Are we bound for some correction? We gotta wait and see. But month of September, it's I'm not here to give you negative or anything, but month of September that we gotta be very careful. It's not a good month in terms of, in general, all the stocks, because usually a month on the base history, September is the worst month of trading in terms of the market's pullback. The NASDAQ, you'll see, is all-time high. SP 500 is all-time high. So we got to have a plan moving forward on XPeng and NIO and any other stock, right? So definitely I want to give you guys a quick insight. This month, September, is going to be a very critical month. You'll see a low. So the support level sitting at $36.55 all the way to $33.87. $41 is a resistance at $41.51, and $44.66 is our breakout for that, right? That's all I have, folks. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just be very careful of the month of September. But past history repeats itself, doesn't mean it has to. but the September is the month that we got to be very careful in trading, because there will be a lot of volatile up and down, a lot of pullbacks and correction is about to occur. Not a final advisor. This is based on my research and based on my opinion. That's all I have, folks. Hope you guys have a good week of coming trading. Good luck. I'm excited for the gains that we talked about it. I'm excited for you guys. Stay strong, and thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you very much, and have a good day.